This 1973 TVR M series is a rare and exciting find. As you can see, it's a very presentable car with some nice paint and a nice color. Pretty sharp looking wheels on this one too. These are pretty hard to come by. Really fun cars to drive. Awesome to go hit the track with. This one is just due for some mechanical recommissioning. It's been sitting for the past few months or so. So it could just be gone through and made running, but it's actually a very presentable car. Really cool. It's got a nice aggressive look to it.